stop scrolling for a second. Those AI UGC ads you keep seeing everywhere, they're not made by agencies, and they're not expensive. And no, this isn't one of those slow, complicated AI systems that take forever. Today, I'll show you how to make viral AI UGC ads in under 2 minutes using just one tool. If you're a marketer, creator, or developer, you know the struggle. Multiple platforms, inconsistent results, slow rendering, and wasted hours. Well, that ends now. I found an all-in-one AI platform that replaces every tool in your workflow. It's called WaveSpeedAI, a developer-first AI media platform built for speed, quality, and consistency. One dashboard solves everything. It gives you access to the best image and video models, all running on optimized GPU infrastructure, which means faster generation, smoother animation, and consistent output every time. With WaveSpeedAI, you can generate images from text, edit and control visuals, turn images into videos, create full videos directly from text. It supports top model families like Nano Banana Pro, Flux, Cadrium V4 for images, and Helu AI, WAN, Cants for video. To try it yourself, go to wavespeed.ai, sign up, and you'll instantly receive $1 in free credits. That means you can test everything without spending a penny. Click Explore. At the top, you'll see models like Klingo 1 and Omni 1. Scroll down to Model Groups. You'll find models like Seance 1.5 Pro, Hiluo, Kling, and more. For this demo, we'll use Google's Nano Banana Pro. Scroll to Google Models, find Nano Banana Pro, click Edit Model, and open it. Delete the existing image, then upload your product photo. For this example, we're using a shoe product image. Remove the current prompt and paste this. Ultra-realistic cinematic action scene featuring an AI-generated American male athlete mid-air above a modern city skyline during daytime. Choose 16:9 aspect ratio, select your desired resolution, and click Run. In seconds, you'll get a cinematic ad image for your product. The quality is insane, truly next level. Go back to Explore, then scroll down to the video models. For this example, we'll use Kling. Find Kling V2.5 Turbo Pro Image to Video, click Try It. Delete the default image and upload the cinematic shoe ad you just generated. Remove the old prompt and paste this. Cinematic slow motion action sequence. A colossal, oversized sneaker twice the height of an American male athlete surges forward through a modern city skyline. Choose the video duration, click Run, and in seconds, your viral AI UGC ad video is ready. Same workflow for any product. If you want to create a Coke ad, repeat the same steps. Explore, Google Models, Nano Banana Pro. Upload a Coca-Cola product image, paste your prompt, run. Then convert it to video using Kling AI. How to edit the model's outfit. Want to change the model's clothes? Delete the current image and upload the ad image again. Use this prompt. Replace the red sari with a modern chic outfit. A tailored white crop blazer with high-waisted red trousers. Sleek contemporary fashion style, realistic fabric folds. Hit run, and the outfit will change instantly. Now convert the edited image into a video. Explore Kling AI Kling V2.5 Turbo Pro image to video. Upload the new image. Use this prompt. Animate the uploaded image with a still camera. The giant woman stays completely still, maintaining eye contact with the camera and a soft smile. Run it, and your viral AI video ad is ready.